بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 6. Be on practice with standing fatha, standing kasra, and inverted dhamma. So let's start with standing kasra. Standing kasra is another interesting vowel sign. It also has a line, a tiny line, but below it. Standing fatha, it was above it, but here it's below it. And its effect is the same as kasra letter followed by yamed. Stretch the sound twice in this case too. B. Only 3 letters in the Quran have standing kasra. Wow! Let's practice them. So the first one is E, 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 Ye, 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 He. And now the next sign, inverted dhamma. Inverted dhamma is another interesting vowel sign. And it does not have any thin lines. It is actually a dhamma, but its round head is on the bottom. That's why it's called inverted dhamma. And its effect is the same as dhamma letter followed by waw. Stretch the sound twice in this case too. Boo, boo. Only 3 letters in the Quran have inverted dhamma. What are they? Let's practice them. Woo, 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 ooh, ooh, ooh. MashaAllah. That was a very short lesson, right? May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.